Alyssa. Here's an organization tip for your RV that works for us at least. Our charging cables were getting a little out of control, and we are also off-grid more often now, which means that we can't charge things off of our AC outlets quite so easily. So we switched over to using DC power, which means that everything basically plugs into a cigarette lighter. And so here's what our charging station now looks like. We've got this little box from IKEA, and this is an extension cable. So this just plugs up to our AC. And then what I've done is I've organized it. So now you've got all your chargers in here. So the Apple Watch, they're all plugged in already on the underneath side. Charge your Apple Watch, I just snap it on. And if I want to charge my iPhone, I just set it down and plug it in, which is going to be kind of hard to do one-handed. So let me show you what's on the inside of this. This is our charging cables. We start with plugging into the wall. The AC comes down this extension cable right here. Move that out of the way. You can see that we've got a splitter. That's a 4-way splitter for cigarette outlets. And then off of this cigarette outlet, we've got a 2 USB splitter, and that's a high-powered one that's better for iOS devices. I've got my cables organized in toilet paper rolls to keep them untangled. And this one over here is a 4-way splitter that we use just for the Apple Watches and other stuff. And if I tuck these back under, mostly like this, and then this little pull down, and I can just pull the cables out through here, and so all you see is the charging end, and you don't have to see any of the cables. I also labeled the ends of the cables that are down by the USB, so you can see on there, so that way when you're trying to unplug a cable to take with you, you don't have to find the other end of it to try to figure out which it is. And that's our charging system.